What is good, TT gang? Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the very first episode of my brand new series called Everything YouTube with your girl Tshego. So guys, I decided to start this brand new series on my YouTube channel because I wanted to give everyone just a general idea of what to do as soon as you want to start YouTube, because I was very blank before starting YouTube, and I feel like a lot of videos which I've watched helped me get sort of an idea of what to do when I start YouTube and so forth. So I can already tell that if you're watching this video, somewhere in your heart deep down you want to start YouTube but you do not know where to start. So this is the very perfect video for you. So in this video I'm going to be giving you guys tips on what to do before starting your YouTube channel, as well as what to do to enhance the quality of your videos and so forth, and to gain more subscribers, of course. So be sure to watch this full video, because at the end of the video I'm going to be giving you guys my very own secrets of what apps, or which apps I use rather, to edit my videos, which equipment I use to film my videos and so forth. So please be sure to watch this video till the end, and of course give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in order to join the TT gang, and of course for more informative videos like these. And of course please be sure to follow me on Instagram and all my other social media platforms at And without wasting any more further time, let's get right into the video. So a lot of people have this general idea that it is literally too late to start YouTube since it is 2022 and there are a lot of YouTubers already. Well, honestly speaking, it is never too late to start YouTube. However, before starting YouTube, please be sure that it is something that you generally want to do. Do not ever want to start YouTube just to make money. That is the worst thing ever, because you do not make money instantly on YouTube. It takes a lot of time and you are gonna end up giving up, right? So if I should say, you should have the passion for YouTube, you should have the time for YouTube. Number two, you should niche down, but do not niche down to only one particular thing, otherwise your videos are going to be boring and you're only going to attract only a specific group of people, making your channel very boring, and you're not gonna be able to gain subscribers. So what do I mean by niching down? Niching down means having an overall idea of what your channel is about. If you want to do vlogs, lifestyle, etc., then that's what you want to do. If you want to do makeup on your channel, that's what you want to do. If you want to make educational videos like how to make money, that's what you want to do. However, I feel like you should have more of a broad topic on your YouTube channel, mainly because you're going to be able to gain more subscribers that way. For example, do not only make a YouTube channel about makeup only, then you're only going to attract girls or females who are interested in makeup. You understand my point? So I would say rather make vlogs and makeup at the same time. That can actually be a little bit more helpful, and of course make your YouTube channel even more interesting. Thing that you need to do is find quality equipment. Your videos always have to be of good quality. You do not want to post videos of low quality. People are not going to subscribe to your channel and people are not going to watch the entire video, which means you're not going to get enough watch time, which means you're not gonna get paid eventually on YouTube. So the main idea of making your videos high quality is to use high quality equipment, but that does not mean that you should buy a camera. Guys, do not force yourself to buy things that you cannot afford. Personally, I do not use a camera. At first I used to use my iPhone 6s, this one, which wasn't that bad. However, the quality wasn't the best either, but I still got subscribers in the end. So quality is important, yes, but do not overspend on things that are not really necessary. So yes, you can use your iPhone, yes, but also enhance the quality of your videos in which you film, right? So what do I use to film my videos? I used to use this phone, and then I used an iPhone 11, and then now I use my iPhone 13 mini, which is the best quality, as you guys can see. So what should you do? Just buy a mini tripod, which I found at Pep, as you can see. There it is. It was very affordable, I'm not gonna lie. So just buy just a mini tripod just for your phone, so that your videos are not wobbly and they're literally, as you can see, stable, you know. So you can still get quality videos at a low price, of course. That is very, very important. The next thing that you should do before starting a YouTube channel is use quality thumbnails. Now, a lot of people ask me why thumbnails are so important. Thumbnails are very important because they are the very first thing that people see as soon as they see your video on the homepage, right? So what do thumbnails do for you? Thumbnails attract people to watch your YouTube channel or to watch your YouTube video. People are not gonna click on your video if you have a horrible thumbnail. Please do not screenshot thumbnails in between low quality videos. However, if you are filming using a very high quality phone or a camera, then you can screenshot in between the clips to get your thumbnail. However, I prefer if you take a separate thumbnail right after filming your video, basically because the quality is better that way. The next thing that you should do is use background music in your sit down videos. Why do I say that? Background music generally make your videos more interesting. For example, if I didn't have background music in this video, it was going to be like this. Can you literally feel or hear how awkward that is? So background music literally make your video much more fun. A lot of people would say the background music are gonna get you copyrighted by YouTube, thus they're going to remove your videos. Yes, if you choose the wrong music. So what I do is I find the right music on the YouTube channel of, I think her name is Naturally Sunny, but I'll link her down below. She has this other video right there, that video, where she just plays really nice songs which are copyright free, which means even if you use them, YouTube will not remove your videos and you will not get copyrighted. So do not make the music louder than your voice. So I usually put the music at 3%, 4%, and then my voice at 200%. That way the music is not overpowering my voice. And the next thing that you should do is have a very interesting intro video. However, do not make your intro videos too long. I've seen YouTube channels where the intro video is literally 1 minute long and all you're seeing is their pictures, and then music the entire time. I swear I fast forward a lot and in the end I literally get bored. So your intro videos should be interesting, yes, but they shouldn't be too long because then people are gonna get bored, and they should give viewers a general idea of what your channel is about. And I prefer if you guys at least include your name in the intro like I did in my intro. That is a very nice thing. It makes your intro really nice as well. However, I will post a video on how to make aesthetic intros like the one that I did now, so that you guys can at least see how I do my intros, how other people do their intros, so that you can do high quality intros. The next thing is repetition is key. What do I mean by repetition? I do not mean that you repeat yourself during videos, no, but repetition, I mean literally every introduction in your video, right? What is good, TT gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is good, TT gang? Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is good, TT gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, etc. You understand my point? So when you do that, you literally attract your viewers and you make them feel like they're part of your videos because you're including them in your video. Hi beautiful people, hi angels, hi loves, whatever you want to say, just say it and repeat it in every single video. Another thing is, please make sure that you plan your videos thoroughly before you actually film your videos. I've seen a lot of videos where people just stand and they literally just blab about unnecessary things, or during the course of the video they just pause and forget whatever they wanted to say. So if you have reached this part of the video, this is the highlight of the video, because I'll be telling you guys the secrets in which I use on my YouTube channel. What do I film with, which apps do I use to edit, which app do I use to make my thumbnails, and so forth. So the very first thing that I bet you guys want to know is, what do I use to edit my videos? Now, Editing videos is very important, and the apps in which you use to edit your videos are also important. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that because the apps in which you use will either enhance the quality of your videos, or they will just degrade the quality of your videos, right? I remember I used to use this other app, and then literally the quality of my videos used to be so poor. So I used to film high quality videos, and then when I edit them, the quality just decreases. How? I do not know. So the app in which you use is very important. I personally used to use iMovie at some point, and then it got very exhausting, and then I wanted something new, so then I moved to InShot. InShot is literally the best app ever. However, if you know of other apps in which you can use, it's fine, use them. But personally, I would say InShot one way or the other. Why do I say InShot? So I'm saying InShot is the best mainly because it edits your videos very well. It gives you high quality videos. It gives you options of the kind of frame in which you want to use for your videos. As you can see here, this was the previous video in which I posted not so long ago. As you can see, I added the clips there. I won't lie, it did work very well for me personally. I've been using InShot for like 9 months, 8 months ish, and I must say, InShot, guys, you will never go wrong. You can never go wrong with InShot. So let me just do this for you guys so that I can give you guys just like a general idea of how I edit my videos, right? So you select your videos, of course, and then it takes you to the menu. What I do, since I'm doing this for YouTube, you click on canvas and then you click on YouTube. It's right there, 16 to the ratio 9, and then you click on remove. Oh my gosh, remove, free remove, and then it's gonna remove the watermark. I hate watermarks on my videos. I do not want people to see which app I'm using. So you remove it, free remove, and then you basically just combine all your videos, you cut them, etc. So InShot is the app in which I use to edit my videos. How long? Another question I get often is, how long does it take me to edit my videos? Guys, it takes me literally 3 to 4 hours to edit one video. That's why I'm saying, of course with breaks in between, that's why I'm saying if you want to do YouTube, you have to have the passion for it, you have to have the time for it, because this thing is draining. This thing is not easy, guys. YouTube is not easy, but it's worth it in the end, right? Another thing, which app do I use to make my thumbnails? For this thing, or for this part, I'm going to basically insert a clip for you guys on how to use the app in which I use, called Canva. So basically the first thing that you do is search for canva.com, and then you're going to see a lot of templates in which you can use. So you head on to another website called remove.bg, which will help to remove any background from any of the thumbnails in which you have taken. And then you can basically just choose any picture from the thumbnails in which you shot or whatever, and then afterwards it's going to remove the background, as you can see. So you download the image and then you basically save it to your photo gallery, and then afterwards you head on over back to canva.com, and then you click on upload media, device, photo library, and then you choose the image in which you have just removed the background from. The image will then load, so you head on over to select a perfect background for you. I like using the marble background. I feel like that one is much more nicer. So then you head on over, you upload your image over to the amazing background of the marble, and then there you are. You just continue playing around with your text. So you add a heading to your thumbnail, and then you just keep on playing around. You can change the font. So I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My next video is going to be about how to create the perfect intro for your YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep tagging you guys along on my YouTube journey and how YouTube is in general. Thank you guys so much, and please comment down below which other videos you would like to see me do, which videos you think you need help with, things that are confusing you on YouTube, and I'll be sure to make those videos for you guys so that you guys can keep in touch, you know, and be up to date with the do's and don'ts on YouTube. But yeah guys, see you guys in my very next video.
I fall for you every time I try to resist.